Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over and covering is Tranot's beauty bundle, and we're going to go over what's included, the price, how much it costs, how you can get it for cheaper, and basically what's it good for, and why should you be wondering about this? So with that, we're going to dive right into this video and go from there. And as you can see, I'm already on the website, and you can see this is the beauty bundle. So the beauty bundle includes Nourish, Enrich, and Two Glows. So what this does is actually it helps support healthy aging and beauty. Improves gut and skin connection. Your gut does a lot for your body, so just trust me on this one. It's good. Optimize digestion and nutrients absorption. Important too. Now, Nourish, I use that as a protein drink. It's actually it's actually very good too. I've mixed it with the protein milk and the powder, and it's delicious, delicioso. Enrich, I take it with every meal, and I think Enrich is actually like kind of in the enzymes are some of the enzymes are in there too. But I take Enrich every day. Sometimes at night when I go to sleep. But with every meal, I take it. So a must. Helps with that digestion so much. And I have had so many benefits. It's ridiculous. So I won't go into details. I need to do probably an updated video of that one. But yeah, I think I will. Not right now. So next one is Glow. I do love Glow. I haven't been taking Glow consistent like I need to consistently, but I need to get back to it because it actually helps a lot with my knee joints and everything. It helps lubricates my knee joints, helps my skin, helps hydrate my skin, helps the elasticity, helps my nails, helps my hair. Not playing, I'm joking. My nails. When I was growing a beard, it actually did help with my beard and everything like that too. So I do enjoy Glow, and I see the benefit. It also helps promotes lean muscle, and helps for some reason I sleep real good with it. Like if I take a shot before bed and take some of the CBD, oh my gosh, it's I'm out like a baby, like NyQuil without the grogginess. So that's good stuff. So this is what comes with this bundle. You're looking at one time, if you want to get one-time purchase, you're looking at $254. Now if you want to get on a subscription, and I'm going to tell you a little trick about this one. You can get it for $232. But here's the thing about subscription. I'll tell you straight up. You can do the subscription and save some money, and then you can literally go in there and cancel your subscription, so it doesn't charge you again next month. So you can just get that discount. So yes, it's a little pain. It's tedious, but hey, it's a great way to maneuver that discount. So yeah, so that's what is included in it. That's how much it costs. Enjoy improved rejuvenation for hair, skin, and nails, and a low-calorie, high-protein prebiotic shake with a Nourish and a full-spectrum digestive enzyme with Enrich. I love it. Awesome. This powerful trio delivers the foundation of your beauty routine with Glow. Improved gut-skin connection from Nourish, and digestive stability from Enrich to help naturally support your health and beauty. So I'm not going to go too much into all of the stuff and everything, but this is great. I take all these products. I literally do use it consistently. The Glow I haven't, but I'm going to get back into it. It's been about a week since I used it. I'll be 100% honest with you. And I can feel my joints not being as lubricated and having that support like I like, because I do a lot of walking now. So ingredients, I won't go into the ingredients about everything. You can actually see this on the website. If you want to check out everything yourself, the link for this website is actually in the description as well. It's pinned on the first comment, so you can click on go to the first comment, scroll down, and click on the comment, and it'll take you to this website. You can get your own bundle, and you can get as well. You can get see more information and get have your questions answered and see what's all included, whether it's ingredients, everything like this. Now, Nourish, I really do like Nourish. I love all of this stuff. Nourish, we'll actually go into each one of them. Glow's advanced type 1 collagen formula for health and beauty that assists in rebuilding and rejuvenating hair, skin, and nails, even supporting healthy bones, muscle, and joints. As we age, our ability to produce collagen begins to wane. Glow helps your body maintain its collagen levels and enjoys all the health benefits that comes with it. That's awesome. Enrich, a prebiotic shake filled with plant-based proteins, powerful superfoods, B vitamins, chelated minerals, and prebiotic enzyme blends, choline, and GOS. There we go. Thank God they had that abbreviation. That have clinically proven cosmetic benefits on skin. Clinically proven, guys. That's key. It means it's been tested. It works. They have the results. They have the feedback. It promotes healthier, more resilient skin by improving hydration and reducing the appearance of redness and wrinkles. Now, Enrich, that baby right there, Enrich uses probiotic, healthy bacteria, and prebiotic for the healthy bacteria to help create a balanced, healthy environment in the belly. Think of Enrich as your daily dose of stability and balance. Plus, with 11 vital enzymes working in collaboration, you can now say hello to improved digestion and feeling your best after a good meal. I can contest to that one. I don't feel like all groggy. I don't have the food coma. I don't have the itis after I eat, whether it's a big meal or small meal. I actually can function. I'm not as tired. My body's not shutting down to digest everything. So this actually helps a lot. So yeah, guys, this bundle, Health and Beauty as Finest. This bundle supports healthy weight management and beauty through ingredients in our Nourish that supports healthy digestion and helps with sadly the feeling of being full. I'm calling it itis. We call that itis, food coma. A highly absorbable and bioactive form of type 1 collagen peptides to help restore your collagen levels to support your continued health and beauty, and Enrich what helps your body function in tip-top shape by supporting its ability to digest food, absorb nutrients, and keep the microbiomes healthy and balanced. All important stuff, guys. Love this stuff. I take all of it. Like I said, Enrich, I would not go a day without using that. I love this stuff. Nourish, I love it for my protein shakes, and it actually helps a lot. I actually lost 15 pounds on that one, just FYI, by taking Nourish when they first came out with it. And I gotta get consistent with that again, because yeah. But guys, if you have any questions, concerns about this, or how to get this, how to get your hands on it, please put it in the comments or give me a call. My number is actually in the description below. You can text me or call me. We can set up a time to talk. I have no problem answering those questions for you guys. But the link is in the description, and the comment is pinned. So you can click on that and go to the website, read any kind of frequent asked questions, or get more about the ingredients, or order your package yourself too. So yeah, guys. So with that, oh, by the way, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that big red button below, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that little bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just sent out a new video, and you need to check it out. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.